Struggling with unstable low to mid and carbide tools? Tool chipping and frequent changes during precision mold or aerospace machining cause scrapped workpieces, downtime, and costly losses. This is a common headache, poor tool consistency and long custom lead times. To solve this, RHZ Cutting Tools tackles quality control from the manufacturing source to safeguard your production. Our modern workshop is equipped with 28 German Walter and Japanese Makino 5-axis grinders, paired with 2 German ZOLLER measuring machines, ensuring micron-level precision and process stability. Through our strict, traceable quality control process from raw materials to final delivery, every tool is inspected by specialists to eliminate quality fluctuations and ensure stable performance. Whether you need high-hardness mold end mills or 5-axis taper end mills, we deliver stable, cost-effective cutting solutions to stabilize quality, reduce tool wear, and boost efficiency. Troubled by tool quality, wear, or customization lead times? Follow RHZ Cutting Tools today. We are your reliable partner with proven quality.